Hey guys, an update on energy fuel. So we dipped to the box we had here and now it's bouncing strong, 10% up from the start. And normally, if I'm not calculating the times wrong, there's a conference call in a bit. Maybe there will be some bullish news here and we might start maybe this road to the 5th wave target box. Maybe it's showing strength now, back above the point of control as well. S&P is also recovering. I'll do a separate video on this one. I'm still looking for higher prices here as well. And yeah, we spoke about this. We were baited a little bit. At least I was baited a little bit that maybe this was it already, but we always had this one in our back of, like in the back of our minds. Maybe if we lose back the trend line, we would head towards this box. And I also called like a few weeks ago, look, we are at extreme levels on the weekly. We had this red week here and I said, okay, look, maybe this is it. We're gonna go down now, at least to reset the RSI a little bit. We did that very nicely. So like whatever has happened with this correction, it's not unexpected, okay? Of course, if you buy here, then you got wrecked a little bit. We dropped 42%. Okay, now it's back up 10%, but again, I have room with the stocks. I entered like here. For me, everybody has a different plan and strategy and risk levels for themselves, okay? But to me, it looks now pretty good. Let's see what the conference call is gonna give. I'm gonna delete this internal C wave count, this as well. We can just keep this here. And now the first task is break this trend line and take this swing, okay? Because here we took the trend line, but we did not take the swing. This is an important level here. And yeah, RSI oversold here on the 1 hour, on the 4 hour, not quite yet, but doesn't have to. So I'm excited to see what today is gonna give. They had their earnings reported. Yeah, this, you don't have to look at this because sometimes they decide to sell more, sometimes they decide to sell less. They have had quarters where they reported 40 million in revenue, year-on-year growth of 8,000%. So it's however they like to sell. I think the more important thing is, I think this one, we are now like, this is decreasing. We want to see net income positive, not there yet. And then here, inventory, it's dropped a little bit, but because this one has increased, I think there are receivables, so this is money that they have to get still. Okay, and then I think maybe this is the same. Again, I'm not an expert here, but total current assets is rising, so that's good. Total assets is rising. Liabilities is going down. Okay, it's up from here, but it's going down from here. That's good. So yeah, let's see. Hope I didn't jinx it, but it would be nice to get now a turnaround. And then once we have this, we can do it again. Let's see. We are now in the box that we spoke about, back above the point of control. Watch this level still, 17.28. Maybe if we go down, we could find support there. And yeah, S&P is now also good volume. Maybe this is it. 4 hour chart didn't quite reach the oversold area, but this will be again a good candle. I said it here already yesterday, but we dropped further. I changed my scenario a little bit. We are now here above this volume profile. We found support here, but okay, that's for another video. Yeah, once we get a little bit more confirmation that we have bottomed here, I will like adjust. I can adjust it now already, but we will look at it again once I have confirmation. Okay, thank you for watching and hope you like the video. Bye bye.